Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into NVIDIA, the innovative company that has been shaping the tech industry for decades. So, let's jump right in. NVIDIA Corporation, founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem, is a global technology company known for its groundbreaking advancements in graphics processing units, GPUs.
This is a combination of two companies with incredibly complementary skills. We're partnering with the largest, most accomplished SoC company in the world. No company has ever built more computers. Mobile computers, multimedia computers. We have MediaTek in our pocket. We have MediaTek in our homes. MediaTek drives more displays, more connected computers than any company ever has. And so it is such a great honor and great pleasure to partner with MediaTek in this endeavor. The car of the future is going to be a technology powerhouse. We're just at the very, very beginning of it.
Initially focused on gaming, NVIDIA has expanded its reach into various sectors, including artificial intelligence, AI, data centers, autonomous vehicles, and more.
Text multimedia technology. And so we know for a fact that the future of the car industry is going to be technology rich. We also know that the amount of technology necessary to be successful is incredible. There is literally no company on the planet that has that portfolio, that breadth, and that depth of technology.
Now we can integrate NVIDIA GPU chiplet. Now we can provide the premium cabin. Likewise, for the auto drive, now we're going to pair with NVIDIA ADAS and also porting the Drive OS so we can enjoy the Drive software system and the whole ecosystem on the NVIDIA side.
Our experiences in the smart home, in the multimedia area over the years, provide us to be able to have the video, high fidelity audio, great display, great picture enhancement, and camera signal processing. All these will bring to the automotive a great experience. Combined together, our two companies are so highly complementary, so synergistic. We have our capability, NVIDIA provides a whole different set. But at the end of the day, in addition to the money that we're pursuing the user experiences in the automotive. You think, when you drive, you want to have a great drive experiences. NVIDIA's everything will bring you the great drive experiences. You know where to go, you know what's happening outside the car without really putting a lot of attention.
What sets NVIDIA apart is their dedication to innovation. Their GPUs are at the forefront of gaming and have revolutionized the gaming experience, providing realistic graphics and immersive gameplay. In addition to gaming, NVIDIA's GPUs are also widely used in industries such as scientific research, animation, and film production.
In 5 years, we improved the computer graphics by 1,000 times. I have a lot to tell you, very little time, so let's get going. Ray tracing, simulating the characteristics of light and materials, is the ultimate accelerated computing challenge. 6 years ago, we demonstrated for the very first time rendering this scene in less than a few hours. Let's take a look at the difference in just 5 years. Roll it. This is running on CUDA GPUs 6 years ago, rendering this beautiful image that would have otherwise taken a couple of hours on a CPU. So this was a giant breakthrough already. enormous speed up running on accelerated computing. And then we invented the RTX GPU.
But NVIDIA's influence doesn't stop at gaming. They are a driving force in the world of AI and data centers. Their GPUs are powerhouses when it comes to training and running AI algorithms, enabling breakthroughs in fields like machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. The company's high-performance GPUs are critical in handling massive amounts of data, making them invaluable for data centers and cloud computing.
Run it, please. Today we're announcing NVIDIA ACE Avatar Cloud Engine that is designed for animating to bringing a digital avatar to life. It has several characteristics, several capabilities: speech recognition, text-to-speech, natural language understanding, basically a large language model, and using the sound that you will be generating with your voice, animate the face. And using the sound and the expression that you're saying, animate your gestures. All of this is completely trained by AI. It is completely rendered with ray tracing. This is the new computer industry. Software is no longer programmed just by computer engineers. Software is programmed by computer engineers working with AI supercomputers. These AI supercomputers are a new type of factory. It is very logical that a car industry has factories. They build things that you can see, cars. It is very logical that computer industry has computer factories. You build things that you can see, computers. In the future, every single major company will also have AI factories, and you will build and produce your company's intelligence. Alex Krizhevsky and Sutskever and Ilya Sutskever and Jeff Hinton, they discovered the continuous scaling of artificial intelligence and deep learning networks and came up with the ChatGPT breakthrough. And the breakthrough, of course, is very, very, very clear, and I'm sure that everybody here has already tried ChatGPT. But the important thing is this: we now have a software capability to learn the structure of almost any information. Anything that has structure, we can learn that language. And then the next breakthrough came: generative AI. Once you can learn the language, of certain information, then with control and guidance from another source of information that we call prompts, we can now guide the AI to generate information of all kinds. We can generate text to text, text to image, but the important thing is this: information transformed to other information is now possible. Text to proteins, text to chemicals, images to 3D, video to video. So many different types of information can now be transformed. 1964, the year after I was born, was a very good year for technology. IBM, of course, launched the System 360, and AT&T demonstrated to the world their first picture phone. Encoded, compressed, streamed over copper telephone wires, and twisted pair, and on the other end, decoded. Picture phone, little tiny screen, black and white. To this day, this very experience is largely the same. Of course, at much, much higher volumes. For all of the reasons we all know well, video calls is now one of the most important things we do. Everybody does it. About 65% of the internet's traffic is now video. And yet, the way it's done is fundamentally still the same. Compress it on the device, stream it, and decompress it on the other end. Nothing changed in 60 years. We treat communications like it goes down a dumb pipe. The question is, what would happen if we applied generative AI to that? Let's take a look.
The future of wireless and video communications will be 3D, generated by AI. Let's take a look at how NVIDIA Maxine 3D, running on the NVIDIA Grace Hopper Superchip, can enable 3D video conferencing on any device without specialized software or hardware.
Now, let's shift our focus to NVIDIA's stock performance. Wall Street analysts have been closely following the company's growth trajectory and projecting potential price ranges for the stock in the coming years. According to some analysts, Wall Street predicts that NVIDIA's stock could potentially reach a price range of $600 to $900 by 2025 and $5,000 to $6,000 by 2030. However, it's important to note that these predictions are based on various factors, including the company's growth prospects, technological advancements, and market conditions. It is also good to note that typically stocks split shares, decreasing their prices when they become too high. What are the factors contributing to the positive sentiment surrounding NVIDIA's stock? Firstly, their dominant position in the GPU market has been a significant driver. The increasing demand for high-performance GPUs in gaming, AI, and data centers has fueled NVIDIA's growth. Secondly, NVIDIA's expansion into emerging fields like AI and autonomous vehicles has opened up new revenue streams.
Using humans' feedback, ChatGPT was able to be developed by grounding it to humans and align it with our principles. Now, I'm going to show you very quickly Omniverse in the cloud.
Let's take a look at the Omniverse cloud. So this is, just a web browser, and we're looking now into Omniverse Factory Explorer. It's running 10,000 kilometers away in our Santa Clara headquarters, and we're leveraging the power of our data center now to visualize this factory floor. We're using real factory data from Siemens and Autodesk Revit to take a look. It's a cloud application, so we can have multiple users collaborating.
Humans interacting with Omniverse. In the future, we'll even have a generative AI, and AI interact with him in Omniverse. We could, of course, imagine in the very beginning there was Jin. That could be a character. That could be one of the users of Omniverse interacting with you, answering questions, helping you. We can also use generative AI to help us create virtual worlds. So for example, this is a bottle that's rendered in Omniverse. It could be placed in a whole bunch of different type of environments. It could render beautifully physically. You could place it just by giving it a prompt, by saying, I would like to put these bottles in a lifestyle photograph style backdrop of modern, warm farmhouse bathroom. Change the background. Everything's all integrated and rendered again. Okay, so generative AI will come together with Omniverse to assist the creation of virtual worlds. I'm going to show you now how we're going to use Omniverse and AI here in Taiwan. And we're going to use it for manufacturing. Manufacturing, as you know, is one of the largest industries in the world. We're going to use Omniverse to teach an AI. And then we're going to use Metropolis, our AI deployment, edge deployment system, to deploy the AI. Okay, run it. Basically, every factory in the future will be digital, of course, first. Every factory will be a robot. Inside the factories, there will be other robots.
Their advanced technologies and strategic partnerships position them well for future growth. It's important to keep in mind that stock predictions come with uncertainties. Market conditions, competition, technological advancements, and regulatory changes can all impact stock prices. In conclusion, NVIDIA has established itself as a leader in the tech industry through its groundbreaking GPUs, advancements in AI, and contributions to various sectors. Their commitment to innovation, combined with their focus on sustainability, positions them as a driving force in shaping the future of technology. We can't wait to see what exciting developments NVIDIA brings next. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on NVIDIA and its breakthrough researches into AI and technologies? Like the video, of course, and subscribe shortly after.